the first thing you have to do in the Freshkite course is that you have to join the classroom. Go to classroom.google.com, okay, and sign in using your Gmail account, and then you have to join the classroom. So for that you need to know the classroom code. The classroom code is I just tell you the classroom code. So this is the classroom code. I will also put it in the video description. Copy this classroom code and then click this plus button and then join class. Give the classroom code here and then click this join button. Okay, now you will join the Freshkite Google Classroom. So you have joined, go to classwork. Okay, so here there are different assignments. Will tell you the basic things you need to do. Okay, so first thing is that we recommend you to go over the basic maths video, and there are couple of English assignments is there. Okay, so in the English assignments we have covered the basic English you need to know to speak without mistake. So we covered the tenses, verbs and articles. This is there in two videos. This is actually in English, actually in Tamil. Okay, and then what are the basics you need to know in English is there in this PDF. This video basically covers this PDF only, and you can also go through this PDF. So this English is important to speak error-free English. Okay, go through this. Okay, and then you can take notes about this. Okay, so how to take notes? Go to this view instructions. Okay, and then okay, here you can basically do add or create button. Add or create a doc here. A document will be created, and once the document is created, click the document, and you can also click this video. You can watch that in YouTube also. Okay, click this YouTube button so that you can watch in YouTube clearly. So for all the assignments, just see the video for a few minutes. Just think about what is there in the video, and then you can take notes. Okay, you can take notes here. This is you have to do it for all the assignments. Okay, so we recommend to watch these two videos. Okay, and then whatever you understand, right? See, watch for 2-3 minutes, understand what is that told for 2-3 minutes, and then take notes. Notes, I would recommend that have a short explanation of what it is and some pictures about it. Okay, so this has to be done for all the assignments. So for English, just go through those two videos. Okay, first finish the English assignment so that you know basics of English. Okay, then you can go to web development. In web development, this is the this here we have given what are the software you need to install for this course. So go download all this software and install it. And next you have to start with the web development. Okay, in the web development you will be learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, and while going through the assignment, right, you have some assignments to be completed. This is assignment number 1, and a JavaScript exercise is there. Okay, I think you can complete these two assignments, this assignment and this JavaScript exercise. Okay, for that first go through this set of videos. So once you open this page, right? Once you open this link, you will get this set of videos. Okay, here you will learn basically what is HTML. Okay, basics of Java, CSS. Okay, and then you have an assignment. Okay, this assignment is nothing but you have to create a page like this, like in the design.pdf, whatever is given here. The same page you have to create. Okay, that is what is given in this. Okay, and how to do the assignment solution is here, but don't go and see the solution first. Okay, just go see the page. This is what you have to design. Okay, how to do this? There's a separate background color for this part of the code. There's a separate background color for this part of the code. There are two things here and here. How to design this? Okay, so go and try yourself. If you're not able to do, then you can refer this solution. Okay, And while learning this, right, what is HTML? Anything you are learning, you need to clearly understand why, uh, what is that, and why you have to study that. What is HTML and why you have to, why HTML? Why HTML is needed? What is HTML? What is markup language, and why you need a markup language? Right? Without markup language, we can't do anything. Why it is needed? Understand that clearly. That will be there in these two videos. So while seeing the video, just see for 2-3 minutes, understand clearly, and go, right, and go and take notes. Okay, go to view instructions, and then add a notes here. Already notes is added here. Add a notes here. Okay, and then take notes here. Okay, so I'll give you a sample of how notes has to be. Okay, so the notes has to be like this. Like if you're taking any notes, you have some text content and some pictures on that. Right, right. Anything you're doing, what is that? You can also use Chat GPT. You can go to chatgpt.openai.com, and then any questions you have, right, you can type the questions there. Okay, suppose you want to learn what is HTML, what is HTML, right? The Chat GPT will give you some answer, and you can also copy paste that answer here. Okay, you can read this, try to understand clearly what is HTML. You can refer the videos and Chat GPT and update your notes. You can Google and put some pictures here. See, all the notes, right? It should be like this: some text and some pictures. Okay, take your notes like this. These notes will help you while you prepare for the interview. Okay, so this notes is very important, and so an important thing is, here, once you finish the assignment, right? Always take notes after you understand that. Okay, so now your aim is to find what is HTML and why you need HTML. Understand that clearly, and after that, go take notes. Okay, and then you have to finish all these videos. These videos will have a lot of interview questions also. Understand clearly, and in the live sessions, right? Basically, we'll once you see the video, understand and come. Basically, in the live sessions, we will ask you questions, and we will ensure that you are talking correctly, and we will ensure that you have understood the concepts clearly. Okay, here is the JavaScript assignment. After the JavaScript assignment, you have certain complicated JavaScript concepts. Okay, and while you are going through this assignment, right, while you are going through these videos, in between, we will be solving problems in JavaScript. Okay, when you solve problems in JavaScript, right, what I recommend you to do is go to your classroom. In the classroom, in the classwork, there is something called a status template. Go to the status template. Okay, click on this one. Click on this status template. Okay, so this is a template. This is how you have to update your status. Right, this is for you to track how much you have done. So in the status template, there are various fields. Each fields, whatever you have done, you can complete it. You can track it. What are the topics? What is the status? Whether HTML says you have completed or not, you can track it here. And mainly, this status sheet will be useful for you to track the problems you have solved. So this is a program to find a number is odd or even, right? And whether you have passed it or not. You have passed that program if you have completed that program without any reference within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, if you have written the program, you have passed. If you have referred some solution, if you have got help from somebody, and if you have done this program, that means you have failed. Okay, just put pass or fail for all the programs. Topic wise, you can do this. Okay, every program you solve, today you solve one problem, right? So go update the status first. Update as failed. If you are not solved within 10 minutes, update failed. This is very important. Put the date also. After solving 10 problems, come back and see what are the problems you have failed, and try to solve those problems again. When you try to solve the problem, think logically. Odd or even, how to find a number is odd or even. Think logically, and then try to write the code. And this status is also important. Okay. Now here you cannot update it here because this is view only. So you can make a copy. Just make a copy. So this is copy of status template. You can put your name. Just copy of status template. I will put my name Bala. I'm storing it in my drive itself. Okay, I'm making a copy. So once I made a copy, right? The copy is made. Okay. So once I made a copy, what I can do is I can go to this instructions, and then I can add that copy here. Okay. Here I will go add or create. Here I have to choose Google Drive because the file is, I have made a copy in my Google Drive, right? Here I can choose that file. So in my drive, see that file is here, copy of status template, right? Just click that, and then you get added here. And you can click this and update your status. So whenever you solve a problem, it's very important you update the status. Okay, in the interview, you have to solve the problem within 10 minutes. This is why we are tracking 10 minutes. Okay, update clearly, pause or fail for every problem.